Good morning and assalamu alaikum, my fantastic colleagues. How are you all? I hope that you are all excited for my seminar today. How many of you are excited? Raise your hand. Okay, so let's start with a starter activity. It's a starter dish. I will going to serve you. So what you have to do, look at this picture. You are having A4 size paper on your tables. Kindly draw anything, any sketch within a 3 minutes. It's a group work, and what you have to do, choose any representative who will come and paste that on the board. The team who will complete the task first, that will be the winner, and I will distribute the chocolates. Anything, whatever comes in your mind, anything, draw anything. Draw anything what comes in your mind. Hurry up. Your time starts now. Who draw this? What is it? Who draw this? Yes. Have you drawn this? Who draw this? Who will come? I need one representative from each group to come over here and explain. Yes, please. So, this belongs to you? Yes. Okay. Why you draw this? Okay, why you draw this?
The reason was as the first front view was you were just like.
Oh, very good. Thank you so much. Okay, if assume that the people sitting over here criticize it badly, then how would you react? If these people criticize it badly, then how would you react?
If they criticize,
yes.
So I will accept it because maybe I can draw something wrong.
Okay.
I will try to defend it.
You will try to defend it.
Yeah.
Means you defend it. Thank you so much. Okay. Who draw this? Yes, please. Why you draw this?
That was the easiest thing to draw. Exactly.
The easiest thing. So she chose the easiest thing. Very good.
And then it means it's flower. It looked nice.
Nice. Okay. If anyone is like same question, if these people criticize it badly, so how would you react?
They need to do better than me.
Okay. She challenged them. Okay. Very good. Thank you so much. Clapping for her. Okay. Next one. Who will come from this group to represent?
This is I made Sabar ka Famila.
Oh wow! Clapping for her again.
This is the food from the tree.
Okay.
Sabar ka Fun, and how we can show Sabar? Sabar we do at home.
I hope that no one will criticize it now.
This is what I do.
So these people.
We do Sabar in the school, but I cannot make the whole building of the school because time was too short. So I make them home.
Wow! Thank you so much. Okay, the next one. The next one. She might kill me after this. Okay. Okay. Why you draw this?
क्योंकि मैंने फूल बनाना था वो उसने बना दिया।
Good.
आपका टॉपिक चॉइस का था वो है ऑन का, मतलब जो ऑनर होता है वो लाइक अ ट्री होते हैं। तो
Wow. Oh, if anyone will criticize you badly, no one will criticize you. Yes, from this team, Mr. Shabazz, your team.
अच्छा तो इस खाना की ड्राइंग खाना है क्या?
It's the bowl and she will explain. She will explain. Yes, what you have?
We had drawn two things. Flowers make the surroundings beautiful, and if you play with the ball, it will keep
Listen, please. Listen.
healthy. That's all.
Okay, sport person is sitting with you. If anyone will like dislike your these thinkings or criticize it, like how would you react?
They cannot criticize exercise and playing with the ball because it's
If they criticize your work, your drawing, your sketch.
They mean smart and fit and healthy. And if no one can criticize the beauty of the flower, how can they criticize the beauty of the flower? That means the entire
We can
Drawing.
drawing of your.
drawing.
Yes.
Both of you can
Guys,
criticize.
have you seen so many flowers? They have different shapes, different colors.
So she is actually defending it. Very good. Thank you, Miss Farla. Thank you so much. So today my topic is, do we own what we do? Yeah, sure, why not?
अच्छा वैसे by the way we deserve more.
Okay, in today's session you will be having a lot of chocolates, don't worry. Okay, so today's topic is, do we own what we do? Exactly. So for what, I need to ask you, what is basically ownership? Do you know what is ownership?
The thing is your possession.
The thing is in your possession, okay?
It's like a sense of responsibility.
Yes, very good. Anyone else? So it means that the ownership, the definition of it means you own something, right? It doesn't mean like you own your home, your car.
You feel responsible for it.
Yes, ownership is willingness to accept responsibilities for one's actions. It's not like that.
Bad, but you need to accept it.
Accept
You have done
it. Exactly. Willingness means that it means that constantly standing up and constantly telling yourself that you are responsible for executing your life, your thoughts, your words and your actions. Right? So start taking ownership. Why not from today? Okay. So what you need to own first?
Yourself.
Yeah, exactly. Very good. So we need to own ourselves first. Trust your abilities. Look at this picture. What comes in your mind?
Belief.
Belief of a father. Sorry, belief of a father or a child.
Trust on his father.
Can you please explain the picture? Can you please explain the picture?
A child believes that his father will save him.
He will hold him and he will not let him down.
Let him down.
So this is the belief. If we'll take an example of ourselves, like this is our trust on our abilities, and we are trusting on our abilities. Means God has created us, everyone with the different abilities. If we trust on abilities, what we gain? We gain confidence. If we start trusting on our abilities, we gaining confidence. And after gaining this confidence, there is the less feeling of fear in us, right? Are you agree, all of you?
Yes.
So second thing, own your life. Own your life. How you can own your life?
Taking care of yourself.
Okay.
Trusting yourself.
Okay.
All your life means if something wrong is happening with you, you need to raise the voice against that.
Okay. So first starting point. We all know that how to own our lives, Lekhi, but we need to focus on few points. Let us focus on those points first. What are the ways to own your life? The ways I will tell you today, the ways are over here. It's in our mind, right? By planning, how we plan our life. Okay, how we plan our life? Focus on what versus how. What versus how? Can anyone explain? Okay, let me tell you.
What is your plan? And
Okay.
how you are going to execute?
Execute. So first you need to differentiate that what actually you want to do.
What do you
And
need and how?
what do you need first? Let's think about it. And before thinking that how you do it, before thinking how, because anything is possible as long as you set your mind, heart and soul into it, right? Everything is possible. Tell yourself that nothing is impossible. I can do each and everything. First, if you had that belief, you can continue. Then the second thing, set goals, think big but start small. How, Miss Sana?
By positive thinking.
Like set your goals, think big, but take a start from the small.
Means you can't reach to the top and start. And
Exactly.
you have to take the first steps first of all in order to gradually you can reach.
This is your goal, might possible that you wanted your daughter to become something like a doctor, engineer. So you are working.
First I have to reach
Okay, let me tell you an example of a cake. If the purpose is to eat the whole cake, so you will cut the cake into the pieces and then you will start eating one by one and eventually you will eat the whole. Same like that, divide your goals into short term.
Eat the whole cake.
Yeah. Yes. Or the brownie. Or the brownie. Okay. Right. So, so you can taste the fruit of your efforts. Okay. So, like if you cut down or divide your short-term goals and then you start achieving those short-term goals one by one, so one day you will achieve your goal. Right? Agree?
Yes.
So we should start with this small and then we will move to the great goals. Then to take actions on your goals. How? Means you have set your actions, your goals. You know that what you want in your life. So what happens?
Destination is there.
Destination.
You need to start your journey in order to
So for journey, you need to take actions.
you need to you need
Without actions, you cannot do anything. Means you are having plan that I will become like this and this, but you are not working anything for that. You are not changing yourself. Okay, so first we need to take action. As you know, all we know that the actions are louder than words. Okay, so second thing is create opportunities. It's not like that opportunity will come at your door, knock knock, I am opportunities, kindly open your door. So it's not like that. You need to create your own opportunities. How?
Opportunities for others as well.
Opportunities for others, but I'm talking about yourself, means on your life. How you can own your life? You need to create your opportunities by yourself. If you will wait for the opportunities that they will come, then you will drop in your life.
creating opportunities means that you are believing in yourself.
In yourself.
Yes, I can do it. So
Exactly.
you are going to accept it.
Exactly.
And you are going to do it.
Exactly. So Miss Khalida, do you want to add something over here in creating opportunities? Have you created opportunities for yourself? Means you are the experienced person over here. So have you created opportunities or opportunities knocked at your doors?
You can say that step by step I started with the smaller schools and I
Exactly.
explored the opportunities and then I went to a level of my feelings. So they came, as I started my journey, they came in my way automatically, one by one.
One by one. Very good. Clap for Miss Khalida for her struggle. Thank you so much. Okay, the next thing, be proactive. Means if you have set your goals, then never wait for others to take actions on your behalf. Don't depend on others. Direct yourself first. There should be the self-direction. Don't wait for the others' help. Learn from the criticism. These are all the points which I will gonna ask you at the end of the lesson. By the way, note it down at the side of your brain corner. Okay, so the learn from the criticism. As I ask you for this activity, the purpose of this activity, the criticism, I ask you that if anyone criticizes your work, how would you feel? So always be open to the criticism, but don't be affected by it. Never affected. You need to learn from it. It means the opportunities mean, this means the criticism means that it makes you an better person. Right? Agree, all of you?
Yes.
Next one, own your profession. How you are owning your profession?
Be better in that, update yourself.
Okay.
By adopting that skills which
Okay.
is required for
Yes.
Okay.
Do
Okay.
better.
Do
and
better.
Research for new things to make you
update
better.
yourself.
So let's see that how we can own our profession. First of all, few things have been already discussed by Mr. Shehbaz, yesterday's topic. How do you own your teaching? That's a question. Who will answer this question? Then I will show you. Who will answer this question that how do you own your teaching? Raise your hand. I need the volunteer. Yes. Very good. Thank you so much. Either this or this.
Left one.
How many of you are
Left
here?
one.
Left one?
Yes.
Why not this one?
That is the passive way and the aggressive way.
Aggressive way, exactly. So you need to own your teaching how?
By start learning profession.
Exactly, by starting loving your profession, giving its respect. What is its lip? What comes in your mind after looking at this? Imagine she is a teacher. Imagine she is a teacher.
Like, do not hide yourself.
Hiding.
Or not ready for the change.
Don't ready for the change, exactly. So,
He's not ready for a change.
she's, yeah, hiding. So you are a teacher, don't feel embarrassed. Don't hide yourself. Okay, this is a very noble profession. Our Holy Prophet was born to preach and teach, right? So why we are hiding our profession in someone's? Okay, my cousin is a doctor, my cousin, the second cousin is an engineer. I am a doctor, but I am the teacher, but I am doing over here. I don't have anything to do, so I am a teacher. No, it's not like teaching is a 24 hours job. Stand up, all of you. Tell yourself that we are doing best. Yay, we are doing best. Stand up. Tell yourself, buck up yourself. Yes, wow. We are doing great job. Excellent job. Thank you so much. We are building the nation basically. Thank you so much. Okay, give your 100%. How, Miss Nadia, how we can give 100%?
Willingness to accept everything and working hard. Give your 100%.
100%. How you can give your 100% to your profession?
Creating opportunities for the students and carving the path for them and
Exactly.
teaching them new things.
So we had a professional lecture by Sir Ijaz, and we know better that how we perform 100% in our profession, how we can own. What comes in your mind after looking at this picture?
Caring, protection, nourishing,
Grow professionally. How you can grow professionally? We had that session. I need your answers now, your response.
evolution in the systems or through the system.
Yes, Mr. Shah.
Evolution, modification, updating.
Any other subject teacher, please? The same science and evolution.
So grow professionally. How you can grow professionally, as Mr. Shehbaz said in the previous lesson.
Which are there for your field, getting the training as well.
Updating yourself,
Updating yourself.
open to change. What comes in your mind? Yes, Miss Sana.
Positivity.
Positivity. Think positively. How?
Be positive.
Be positive. My blood group is B positive. No, it's not like that. B positive is like, yes. I'm O positive, by the way. I'm not B positive. Yes, Miss Sana. Please explain positively.
Positively, definitely you will be relaxed
Okay, yes.
and
You'll be more satisfied with your life.
less stress.
Oh, yes. Own your student. The fourth thing is, till here we had discussed, own your life, own yourself, your profession, and then your students. Own your students. How you can own your students? They are our product, your product. How you can introduce your product? Just like a company.
Weaknesses, you need to know the weaknesses of your students as well, and you need to work for it.
Exactly.
Just saying that, okay, this is my class. Class is something, but every child in that class is your problem. So you need to take care of it.
You can make them what?
Anything you want and anything that makes them better.
The great scientist.
Either this, very good, and either this. This is up to you. Seriously, this is up to you. Try to own your student, not inside the school, but outside the school as well. If you are finding them indulging in negative activities, stop them. What is the message over here? The success is also in your hand, and failure is also in your hand. So own your students. Teach them well. We know that how to teach them well, prepare them for their future. Miss Basla can prepare a scientist for his future, right? Mr. Khurshid might possible a mathematician, and few of us the linguistics, anyone. So we people are sitting over here, we are nurturing the nation basically, the students. We are preparing them for their future. Teach them with love and care, and especially for sincerity. With this sincerity means that not on the purpose that you are earning money, this is your profession, you are earning money. But ask yourself that have you like working something extraordinary for your student apart from this thing that you are earning money, okay, taking lessons very good, excellently. Do something extraordinary for them. You should be proud when you see them on one day. How you can be proud? As I give you an example. Make them, when we see them successful, future means after 10 years, after 10 to 20 years, if like Miss Basla saw any student and he became a great scientist. So she can be rightly proud. I prepared her. Any mathematician, I prepared Miss Adila, Mr. Mirza, I prepared that students. I made his base. You can proudly tell him. So try to be proud. Your students, your institution, the most important thing. Your institution, how you can own your institution, that's very important.
Follow the regulations and follow the norms set by them.
By being sincere with
Owning your
the
institution means that if you see anything going on wrong, not in your own camp side one, I mean if it goes in senior section or junior section, that is your own.
Exactly, it's on.
You should point it
This is
out.
not the senior section, middle section, or something like the preschool. It's our institution. Just try to own it. How you can own it? When you will give respect to it. Try to give respect to your institution in front of your social circle, your student. If you will not respect your institution in front of your student, now they will not respect your institution. They will not even love their institution. So try to do this. Cooperate, connected. Be connected with it. What is this? Defending, very good. Defending it. How you can defend your institution? You are not a soldier that you will take a gun point. How you can?
Clarify
Okay.
the misunderstanding, clear the idea that this is not this, why this is happening, because this is the backstory and we are trying to do and moving towards a certain goal.
Exactly. What comes in your mind?
Take the small step and then you move towards the great.
You can improve your institution. You can improve your institution by your efforts, by making you upgraded. What comes in your mind?
Social media, connect with the social media.
And what most of us forgot, and many of us are already doing.
News around as well.
Promote it. How you can promote your institution?
Insta, WhatsApp, each and everything, tell each and everything.
Exactly. So you all know how, but how does the feeling of the ownership starts? How this feeling starts?
When you trust yourself? No, if you love that person.
Yes.
when you would start, when you would be sincere with the institution, you would start feeling like.
And it feels nice
Just
when you
use-
see a post about your school on Facebook or here and there.
Means not about the school only. How does the feeling of the ownership starts?
When something bad or good happened and your mother said, you did this, own it.
It starts with you. Simple answer. It starts.
Own it.
Oh, you did this. You have to own it then. If you believe in yourself, anything is possible. If anything is possible, then you must tell to yourself that only I can change my life. No one else can do it for me.
Yes.
And eventually, then you can do it. Actually, I can.
Yes.
This is the confidence. This is the belief.
This is the trust.
Try to spark that thing in your. Okay, what she is actually doing. So find out something under your tables. You might find something. Hurry up, quickly. Find out. Find out. Hurry up. Okay. There is an activity, talk activity. You will there might be a question coming on my slide, and you will tell yourself this is the time of the confession now. You will confess in front of us. Everyone, after confessing, you will pass on to the other person by calling the name. Okay? But you have to do this. Talk. Okay? Okay. Are you ready?
Yes.
Ready?
Yes.
Ask yourself, who will be, okay, Miss Basla, you are the, am I satisfied with my life? Ask yourself while looking at the mirror.
Yes.
Tell to yourself. Be truthful, because the people will come in your life and they will go, but the person will remain always, the person in the mirror will remain always with you. So be truthful and honest to that person.
Next.
Okay. No, you have to pass on to the other group.
This is that
Tuk. No, they are having their, stay simple, tuk.
Miss Alia.
Next question is for you, Miss Adya. Do I blame others for my mistakes? Okay, Sajjal, you put on your, no, Sajjal, you put on your clothes late, so I am late just because of you in school. Have you ever blamed, have mama blame on you?
I am going
Okay.
myself.
Tell to yourself,
No, hello.
Okay. Mr. Nan, am I willing to change my attitude? No. Tell to the mirror. Tell to the mirror. Look at the mirror and ask yourself. Tell to yourself. And promise to yourself what I can do to solve the next tick tock 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 tock. Tock tock. Okay. What I can do to solve my problems and difficulties.
Redo them.
Miss Sana, I learn in online classes or the traditional classes? I learn. Where?
Online classes, okay?
Where I learn? In online classes or in traditional classes?
Traditional classes. Traditional classes.
In traditional classes you learn the most. What was a difficult time for you? In online classes or difficult, the traditional classes?
Online classes.
Online classes. My experience, if you are agree then you may raise your hand. My experience that I learn most things in online classes because that was a difficult time for me, but I learn in that difficult time period. How many of you are agree? If you are agree then raise your hand. If you learn something new in these online classes. So we agree that we learn in difficult time. So Thank you. So difficulties in your life don't come to destroy you, but to help you realize your hidden potential basically. Agree or not?
Yes.
Thank you. So what happened? When there is a self-awareness, there comes the awareness. You become the there comes the responsibility, sense of responsibilities. And you become the master. When there is a sense of responsibilities and ownership, you become the master of inner and outer life, right? And which leads you towards the positivity, and this positivity becomes a reason of your transformation into good human being. When you stop blaming others or for your mistakes, or you're basically making yourself satisfied with this. Don't tell a lie to yourself, be truthful to yourself. Then you will be having a change. You will transforming like this, like a butterfly. Everything changes for the better when you take ownership of what you do. So I hope that you people will promise today that you will take ownership of what actually you do, your actions. Yes or no? How many of you are promise? Okay. If you have not been doing it, you can start from today. You can start from today. Okay. Now it's a wrap up time. Means it's a Swedish time for you people. Now you have to do an activity, another activity. Summarize today's session on the chart paper in a unique way like this. We are going through from the workshops. You need to present on it. On these chart papers, the chart paper is in front of you. And then you will paste it. The group who will complete the task first. I am going to give you, you need to paste it over here, Miss Nadia. You will paste it over here, you will paste it at the back. Hurry up.